Hi friends, welcome back to my new video. Are you looking for rich, creamy and flavorful gravy that goes perfectly with the rice, roti or naan and which can be done in 10 minutes? Try this irresistible Matar Mushroom Masala, restaurant style, made right at home. So let's see how to do it. In a pan, heat some oil, add jeera, 2 chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped tomatoes, pinch of salt and cashews for a rich flavor. Mix well and cook until soft and blend it into a smooth paste. In the same pan add butter, pour in the blended paste, little bit of water and adjust the consistency as per your liking. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala and saute till the oil separates. Add green peas, mushrooms, kasuri methi, pinch of salt and mix well and let it cook until tender. Finally, add fresh cream for restaurant style rich flavor and that's it. Your creamy Matar Mushroom Masala is ready.